Based in Hangzhou, a city known for technology and innovation, Spider-Eye UAV is redefining industrial drones with vision and expertise. Our headquarters leads global strategy design and customer support. With 15+ years in R&D, we're trusted by over 1,000 institutions worldwide. From agriculture to firefighting, our drones are built for critical missions. We work hand in hand with top universities like NUAA and BIT. In 2023, we expanded globally to serve a broader market. Spider-Eye UAV is your gateway to tailored UAV solutions. We're not just building drones, we're building partnerships. Where vision takes flight, our intelligent manufacturing center. As an OEM/ODM powerhouse, we turn ideas into high-performance drones. Full-stack services, from full drone assembly to custom parts supply. High volume, high-precision fast delivery. 15,000+ units shipped, trusted by industry leaders. Waterproof batteries, RTK systems, multi-mission payloads, all engineered here. Global standards, strict quality control, modular design. We also offer training, tech support and market entry assistance. With Spider-Eye UAV, you're not just buying a product, you're gaining a team. In extreme environments and emergency missions, efficiency is life. The Spider-Eye M400 industrial drone is engineered for heavy-duty aerial operations. With a maximum payload of 200 kilograms, a rated capacity of 180 kilograms, and up to 45 minutes of flight time, it can deliver 70 kilograms of cargo over 25.8 kilometers in a single sortie. Its foldable design enables rapid deployment and access to any location. Powered by Spider-Eye's proprietary NA80 flight controller and an intelligent anti-sway system, the M400 effectively suppresses payload oscillation, ensuring centimeter-level precision in delivery, even in high winds or turbulent conditions. When wildfires or hazardous chemical leaks strike, the M400 becomes an airborne firefighting vanguard, equipped with a dual-axis gimbal and 2K HD video transmission for real-time situational awareness. It hovers precisely to deploy fire-extinguishing grenades or critical supplies. Beyond solo missions, the M400 supports swarm operations, controlling up to 30 drones from a single station, to form an intelligent fleet for large-scale logistics and synchronized fire suppression. Spider-Eye M400. King of transport, vanguard of firefighting, master of versatility. Redefining the limits of heavy-lift drones with uncompromising technology. Spider-Eye M400 agricultural drone. Aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon fiber airframe. Easy transport and storage. 180L large capacity, suit large field spraying. Seamlessly switch between modes. Auger-type precision spreading, anti-clogging and stable. Upgraded under-tank centrifugal nozzles, splash-proof. Upgraded power, coaxial dual-rotor design. Pure carbon fiber propellers, heat-resistant and safer flight. Full scenario expandable platform, modular customization. 3 intelligent batteries, rotatable for = 25 minutes no-load endurance. 360 degrees omnidirectional radar RTK positioning. All-weather operation. Full coverage for night and complex scenarios. Wide-angle camera plus dual antennas. Safer operation. Top choice for empowering agricultural production quality and efficiency. Meet the Spider-Eye UAV H300 series, a single platform engineered to tackle diverse missions. Starting with agriculture, its 95L tank and 4 centrifugal nozzles deliver precision spraying across 35 hectares/hour. Robust 56 kg tension motors and terrain-following radar conquer slopes up to 45 degrees, while night vision lights ensure 24/7 operation. But versatility doesn't stop here. With a quick foot-key switch, this drone transforms into a heavy-duty transporter, lifting 120 kg payloads for 44.6 km deliveries. The modular cargo bay adapts to medical supplies or industrial gear, backed by a 10 km range camera for pinpoint navigation. And when emergencies strike, the H300 rises to the challenge. As a firefighter, its high-pressure hoses connect to ground pumps for relentless firefighting. Deploys 23 kg suppression bombs from 150 m altitude, dousing 200 square meters flames instantly. Integrated thermal imaging and a 5-lens mapping system cut through smoke. Engineered as a unified platform, the H300 adapts to mission parameters through hardware reconfiguration. In agricultural operations, the night vision system permits low-light spraying cycles without compromising coverage accuracy. Transport configurations prioritize structural integrity, with the airframe supporting ISO-compliant cargo interfaces. Fire response protocols activate high-volume water pumping through ground hydrant integration, while altitude-stabilized suppression payloads deploy within operational ceilings. Thermal sensors maintain situational awareness under zero visibility conditions. M65. Compact. Efficient. Powerful. The M65 is built for agile, large-area spraying, no compromise on performance. 62L liquid tank with a 60 kilograms rated payload. High-volume spraying, 20 liters per minute flow rate. Droplet size 30 to 500 micrometers. Spray width, 8 to 15 meters. Work efficiency up to 26 hectares per hour, 24 minutes. Foldable. Lightweight. Transport friendly. The Odin X491. 120-minute endurance, 5 kilograms payload. Built for precision. Power line inspection, search and rescue, aerial operations. IP67 rated. -40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius resilience. Modular versatility. Thermal imaging, lighting, comms. Adapts to your mission. Spider Eye H60-4 Cleanmaster. Industrial grade aerial cleaning. 60 kilograms payload, 15-minute flight time, expandable to 30 minutes. Tailored for skyscrapers, factories, and solar farms. Efficiency redefined.